Hey, this is Hunter from Hunterworks. If you guys haven't already checked it out yet, go watch the new product video and the why video on the Dynojet Power Vision 3 from Hunterworks. I'll leave the link in the description. My dad Todd does a really good job of explaining the what and the why behind the Power Vision 3 at Hunterworks. I'm more of the how today in this video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to read an ECU off a Polaris vehicle, and then 2 ways that you can send that extracted files to me in order for me to give those vehicle specific tunes back to you guys. The 2 files that you'll be extracting today is a PV information file and then a stock file. So let's hop in front of the Razor and I'll show you guys how to read the ECU. So when you open your Dynojet Power Vision 3 programmer, you're going to be presented with the device itself, and then you're going to get a flash harness. This has an OBD port. This connects to your vehicle. And then you're also going to be given a USB-A cable. This goes from your programmer to your computer. And I'll show you guys this cord in a second. But first thing you want to do is you want to locate your OBD port on your vehicle. This is a 2018 Ranger XP1000. Mine's located under the hood. So I'm going to grab my flash harness. I'm going to connect the OBD ports together. Now you can grab the other end and go ahead and connect it to your device. Now you can go ahead and turn the key on. I'm going to bring this in closer for you guys to see so that the key is on, the device is powered up. This is just an initial screen that shows you some more information about licenses for other vehicles. You want to go through that screen, and we're going to be reading the ECU. So we're going to go down to Vehicle Tools, and we're going to scroll down to Read ECU. This is going to take about 15 minutes. This is all you have to do to extract those files. So let's go ahead and click Continue. So after your ECU is done being read, those files have been extracted from your vehicle and now onto your programmer. You can go ahead and disconnect your device from your vehicle and go ahead and turn your key off. Now let's talk about the 2 ways you can send those tunes file to me. The first way is the mail-in option. When you search the Dynojet Power Vision 3 on our website for your specific vehicle, there will be a drop-down menu or a checkbox. Inside that checkbox or drop-down menu, you will see an option to do mail-in. If you choose that option, there will be a small fee that comes with that. We will include a return label inside the box. You will get the device, you can read your ECU, stick the device back in your box, put the return label back on it, ship it back to us. I'll download those files onto your programmer, send it back to you guys. It's plug and play, you're good to go. Now the other option is email. So I'm going to hop on my computer, share my screen with you, and show you guys what that looks like. So I'll grab that USB-A cable that I had mentioned you guys before that comes in the box. This goes from your computer to your programmer. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my programmer. You guys don't have to do anything with the programmer now. It's all on the computer if you chose the email option. So you can do this on MacBook or Microsoft. On the MacBook, you will find this in Finder. A Power Vision tab has now loaded as you plugged in your device. This is in icon mode. I'm going to go to list mode just to have them all listed out. So as I mentioned before, you will need a PV info folder with the PV info file and then the stock file. So what I did was I went ahead and uploaded my email on the right side of the screen. I just dragged and dropped the stock file into the email and then dragged and dropped the PV info file into the email as well. I'm going to send this to hunter@hunterworks.com. You guys can send me it there at hunterworks.com. I titled it PV3. You can title it Dynojet PV3 or Programmer, whatever you guys want to make it simple for you guys. And then at the bottom, if you would like, this is not required, but I went ahead and put in 2018 Polaris Ranger XP1000. When I get this stock information and this PV info, I already know what vehicle you guys have, but this would just help me out just a little bit. So if you guys would, that'd be really helpful. So at this point, you can go ahead and send me that email. I'll get it as quick as possible and get them tune files back to you. So hopefully by the end of this video, you learned how to read the ECU off a Polaris vehicle, and then hopefully you guys choose one of those options that I had mentioned, and you guys can send those back to me as simple as possible, and I can get them tuned back to you as simple as possible. And don't forget, Hunterworks has the best pet on the planet. You guys have any information about Dynojet products from Hunterworks, just contact me, hunterworks.com. The link to all the socials are in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.